Hello YouTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna be looking at how we can create a Zoom meeting link in 2023. So let's get into it. So first thing is we're gonna need our browser for this purpose, and we would go, or we can type in there, Zoom sign in. And once we are here, we're going to click on the first link. It automatically signs me in. Now we have plenty of options on the left side. If we click on meetings, we're going to have this screen. Now we have meeting templates as well, but we can create a simple meeting from this portion. We're going to click on schedule a meeting. We can choose the topic of the meeting. We can even add some description. And this is the time when you would want your meeting to be activated. The duration of the meeting can vary from 1 minute to 40 minutes. And if you have a premium account, you can switch it to more than 40 minutes. You scroll down all the way and you can click on save. And there you go. You have successfully created your first Zoom meeting. You can copy this link and send to the people whom you want to invite to Zoom meeting. I hope this video helps, and if it does, make sure you do like and subscribe, and put a comment below if you face any problem. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.